Let's see, hold on to my cups of ice.
You need some ice?
Okay.
Where the ice
No,
at?
I actually have made about 4.
Hey, where you at?
No.
Excuse me, ma'am. Where you at?
Oh, I thought you.
Yo, give me my scotch
Hey.
back.
Oh, this
Give me my
scotch.
scotch.
Oh, I'm looking for my ice water.
All I want to know is where is you at?
I'm right here at the crib.
You right here at the
Down here at the crib on
I
Bellfountain.
have to accept that.
I mean, you know, I'm gonna have to get to the spaghetti right quick.
Right,
In
yeah.
order to survive.
Niggas is hungry around here. Where you at?
What do you mean where I'm at? I'm standing right here.
Where? But I mean, I'm saying, where are
I'm
you?
right here.
Oh, okay. You think you think you look
Oh,
good?
of course
Oh, okay.
I do. All the time.
Okay.
I'm amazing.
Uh-oh, hold on. Hold on. She said she's a Macon. Is there anybody else in here that can say that? Are you a Macon?
I am a Salone, but I got that blood running through.
The blood?
Yeah, the
Is-
blood.
You got the blood.
It's the blood. Do you have the blood?
I got the blood in my veins.
Yeah.
I am a Thomas. My dad is Robert Harold Thomas.
Yeah, she is. Isn't that
Married to one.
Isn't that Robert?
He a David. See that hair?
Married to one, okay. Yeah, I have to say that at the other side family reunion too. It's okay.
Hey, turn that thing off, man. You putting dark secrets out.
What's the
You have to break that camera.
What's the dark secret?
Hey, next thing you know, they gonna see that camera drop. It's gonna be like the Blair Witch. Somebody gonna be standing in the corner like, hey, speak to me. Speak to me.
Do I know you?
Yeah, I'm not a Macon.
You're not a Macon.
I'm an Edwards.
Blair Witch.
I just
You what?
I just shack up with it.
Oh
I
man.
love it.
So when you gonna make that shacking up a marriage since you all on tape
Right now.
saying you
Okay, check
shacking
this
up?
out. Look at this.
I don't got my ring
Uh-oh, hold on. No ring on. So maybe next
Put a rubber
year
band on
she'll
her.
have a ring on. We gonna keep
Hey,
it
give her a
moving.
Tootsie Roll.
She gonna accept. Y'all
Where
ain't
you
gonna
at?
give me accept it. She was gonna accept.
Where you
Hey
at?
man, you better make some more cornbread this year.
Married to the big man.
No. See, I didn't say that. I said where you at?
I make my baby.
I'm not- I'm-
Okay, too much of that orange sickle.
Get right here. Dog. You a dog.
Wait.
Where you at?
Oh, somebody come to my
I'm at somebody's house.
You at? Oh, so see now.
I don't know.
I already know what to do for you, G. I got the sick Marva on you. She gonna make you sit in with the kids so she can tell the kids the history. Then you can break it down. Next year, break it down for me.